Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to set up your Everydollar budget. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck or just want to get a handle on your finances, Everydollar is a fantastic tool from Dave Ramsey that makes budgeting straightforward and effective. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to get the app. Head over to your app store or visit the Everydollar website and download it for free. Once that's done, create an account. You'll just need to enter your email, set a password, and verify your details. Easy peasy. Now, the fun part begins. After logging in, you'll be prompted to enter your monthly income. Be honest here. This is the foundation of your budget. Whether it's from your job, side gigs, or investments, add it all up. Everydollar will then guide you to set up your expense categories. Think groceries, rent, utilities, entertainment, the usual suspects. Customize them to fit your life. You can even add subcategories if you want to get detailed. Next, assign dollar amounts to each category. This is where the magic happens. Decide how much you can realistically spend on each one based on your income. Everydollar uses the zero-based budgeting method, meaning every dollar has a job, so aim to allocate your entire income. Don't forget to track your transactions. Link your bank accounts if you're comfortable, or manually enter your purchases. This keeps everything up to date and helps you stay accountable. Finally, review your budget regularly, at least once a week, and adjust as needed. Life changes, and so should your budget. There you have it. Setting up Everydollar is a game changer for managing your money. Give it a try, and you'll be on your way to financial peace. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.